Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths, state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.8, fourth sum, application sum. A garden is to be laid out in a rectangular area and protected by a wire fencing. It is a compound wall fencing. What is the largest possible? Largest means it's nothing but maximum we have to find out. Largest possible area of the fenced garden with 40 meter of wire, with 40 meter of wire. See, it is a rectangular. It is a rectangular garden. See, you can take it as rectangular garden. Can take it as this is x and x, this is y and y. Total fencing area, it is given as what? 40 meter of wire. 40 meter of wire. This is not a area, this is a perimeter, because this is the fencing. Fencing means this is the fencing level. See, outer area, the total area. It's nothing but a perimeter is given. You should find out the area of the rectangular garden is maximum, that is largest possible. Area of the rectangular garden is maximum. So let x and y be the length and breadth of the rectangular garden. Length and breadth of the rectangular garden. Length and breadth of the rectangular garden. Rectangular garden. What is given? Given equal to total perimeter, that is the fencing area is 40 meter. That is nothing but what? X, y, 2x plus 2y. This fencing area is 2x, x plus x, 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y equal to 40 meter. It's nothing but what? Perimeter. Perimeter equal to, it is given, perimeter equal to that fencing level, 2x plus 2y equal to 40 meter. 2x plus 2y equal to 40. 2 you can take it out. X plus y equal to 40. So x plus y equal to 20. You can take it as 1. X plus y equal to 20. You can take it as 1. Then we should find out what? Area is maximum. Area is maximum. What about the area? What is the area of the rectangular garden? Area of the rectangular garden is length into breadth. Area of the rectangular garden is nothing but what? Length into breadth. Length we kept it as x and breadth is y. So area equal to x, y. That is A of x equal to xy from 1 y equal to, from 1 y equal to 20 minus x. From 1 y equal to 20 minus x. So A of x equal to, because two variables are there. With respect to x only we are doing, so we changed y value into x. So x into, what about the y value? 20 minus x. X into 20 minus x. A of x, area, A of x equal to 20x minus x square. 20x minus x square. A dash of x. Differentiate with respect to x. A dash of x. A dash of x equal to 20 minus 2x. Because x become 1, 20 minus 2x. A double dash of x. A double dash of x equal to 20 is constant, so it become 0 minus 2 into x become 1. What is A double dash of x? Minus 2. See, a double dash of x equal to minus 2, it is less than 0. It is less than 0. Anyway, you should find out the value of a dash of x equal to 0, because we should find out the value of x. A dash of x equal to 0. 20 minus 2x equal to 0. Minus 2x equal to minus 20. X equal to 20 by 2, the value is 10. X equal to 20 by 2, the value is 10. If x equal to 10, what about the y value? If x equal to 10, what about the y value? Y equal to, see here, at x equal to 10, at x equal to 10, a double dash of x equal to minus 2. A double dash of x equal to minus 2 less than 0, because if it is negative, it is less than 0. Therefore, the area is maximum. Therefore, the area is maximum. Therefore, the area is maximum at x equal to 10. What about the y value from 1? X plus y equal to 20. X plus y equal to 20. Y equal to 20 minus x. So, y equal to 20 minus 10. So, the value is equal to 10. The value is equal to 10. See, the largest possible area, if x equal to 10, y equal to 10, the largest possible area, the largest possible, because it is maximum. The area is maximum, it is nothing but what? Largest. The largest possible area, area equal to, what is the formula? Area of the rectangular field is x, y. So, 10 into 10, it gives 100 meter square, because 40 meter is given. So, 100 meter square. The largest possible area of the garden is nothing but what? 100 meter square. 100 meter square. See the fifth sum. A rectangular page is to contain 24 centimeters square. 24 centimeter square, it is a rectangular page. 24 centimeter square of print. The margin of the top and bottom of the page is 1.5 centimeter, and the margin of the other sides of the page is 1 centimeter. What should be the dimension of the page so that the area of the paper used in minimum? Area of the paper used in minimum. See, the area is given as what? XY is given as 24 centimeter square. See, the side margin is given as side margin. See, side margin. The margin at the top and bottom, this is top and this is bottom. The margin of the top and bottom of the page are 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, and the other sides of the margin, is 1 centimeter. Other sides of the margin is 1 centimeter. See the inner rectangular, that is the dimension of the inner rectangular is x, y. X and y be the length and breadth of the rectangular field. See the dimension of the page, new dimension of the page. See, this is in a what position? Vertical position. So, y value, this is in a horizontal position. So, x plus 1 plus 1, because it is in a horizontal position, x axis, x value, that is nothing but a length. See the arrow mark, it is in a horizontal. So, this is a length. Length value is 1 plus 1 is 2. That is a new dimension. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is a vertical. Vertical, it is nothing but a y value. It is nothing but a breadth. Breadth 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So y plus 3, that the new dimension of the page is nothing but what? X plus 2 and y plus 3. Dimension of the page are x plus 2 and y plus 3. What is the area given? Area equal to xy. Area of the rectangular page. Area of the rectangular page xy equal to, it is given as 24 centimeter. So xy equal to 24 centimeter. Xy equal to 24 centimeter. Dimension of the page. New dimension. Dimension of the page. Dimension of the page is nothing but what? X plus 2 and y plus 3. X plus 2 and y plus 3. Dimension of the page is x plus 2 and y plus 3. So paper area, area of the full paper. Paper area of the paper. Area of the paper. Area of the paper including that side margin. Is it clear, children? Including that side margin. Area of the paper equal to x plus 2 into y plus 3. X plus 2 into y plus 3. That is, you can take it as a of x equal to x plus 2 into y plus 3. X plus 2 into y plus 3. Xy equal to 24 centimeter from 1. From 1, xy equal to 24 centimeter, y equal to 24 by x, y equal to 24 by x. See, a of x, that is area of the page equal to, you multiply x into y, that is x plus 2 into y plus 3, x plus 2 into y plus 3, you multiply. See, xy plus 3x plus 3x plus 2y plus 6, xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 6. So two variables are there. See here, two variables are there. With respect to x only we are doing. So you can make it as a single variable. What is the value of xy? Xy equal to 24. So you can write it here. 24 plus 3x plus 2 into, what is the value of y here? 24 by x. Y equal to 24 by x plus 6. 24 by x plus 6. 24 plus 6 is 30 plus 3x plus 24 into 2, 48 by x. 24 into 2, 48 by x. See here, a of x equal to 30 plus 3x plus 48 by x. A dash of x. Differentiate area with respect to x equal to 30 is constant. So 0 plus 3 into x become 1. 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x is nothing but what? Minus 1 by x square. Minus 48 by x square. Minus 48 by x square. So a dash of x equal to 3 minus 48 by x square, or otherwise you will write, see, a dash of x equal to 3 minus 48 x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2. See, a dash of x equal to 3 minus 48 x to the power minus 2, a double dash of x, then area with respect to, area differentiate with respect to x, a double dash of x equal to 3 become, 3 is constant, it become 0 minus 48 into n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1. So minus into minus become 48 into 2, 96 x power minus 3, 96 x power minus 3, 96 by x cube. A double dash of x is 96 by x cube at a dash of x equal to 0. We should find out the value of maximum and minimum. Here itself you can see this is positive, so it is minimum. Anyway, you should find out the value of x value. So, a dash of x equal to 0. What is a dash of x? A dash of x is 3 minus 48 by x square equal to 0. 3 minus 48 by x square equal to 0. Take the LCM. 3x square minus 48 by x square equal to 0. You can bring this x square to the right hand side, becomes 0. What is the remaining value? 3x square. 3x square minus 48 equal to 0. 3x square minus 48 equal to 0. 3x square equal to 48. 3x square equal to 48. X square equal to 48 by 3. X square equal to 16. X square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. X equal to plus or minus 4. See, x equal to, we can take x equal to 4 centimeter because x, we can, dimension cannot be take the negative value. So, x equal to minus 4 not possible. X equal to minus 4 not possible. So, you can take the value x equal to 4 centimeter at x equal to 4. At x equal to 4, what about a double dash of x? A double dash of 4, that is x value 4 equal to, see here, 96 by 4 cube. You can substitute x by 4. 96 by 4 cube, it is positive. You don't simplify the term. Whether you can check it is a positive value or negative value. So, 96 by 4, it is 4 cube, it is greater than 0. If it is positive, the area is minimum. Smallest, see, area is minimum. Therefore, the area of the paper is, the area of the paper is minimum. Then you should find out the value of area also, minimum area also you should find out, the dimension of the page also you should find out. See, the area of the paper is, the area of the paper is minimum. You should find out the dimension. You know very well what is given. Given area of the page xy equal to 24 centimeter. Area of the rectangular field xy equal to 24 centimeter square. 24 centimeter square. What is the x value? X equal to 4 centimeter. What about y value? Y equal to 4y equal to 24, y equal to 24 by 4, it is nothing but 6 centimeter. So, the dimension of the dimension equal to x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. Now, we should find out the length of the page. Now, you should find out the x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. Now, you should find out the length of the page. Length of the page equal to what? Length of the page equal to x plus 2. Length of the page equal to x plus 2. So, 4 plus 2, because x value is 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 centimeter. Length of the page equal to x plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6 centimeter. See, breadth of the page, length of the page equal to 6 centimeter and breadth of the page equal to y plus 3. Breadth of the page equal to y plus 3, because the full page, the side margin, inclusive of the side margin. Breadth of the page equal to y plus 3. What is the value of y? Y equal to 6. So, it gives 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter. 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeter. Dimension of the page is dimension of the page is length equal to dimension of the page length equal to 6 centimeter and length equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 9 centimeter. Dimension of the page length equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 9 centimeter. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.